In this video, we show you why your Samsung phone might be showing a blue dot right next to the battery indicator. So in One UI 9, Samsung has released a privacy feature that causes your Galaxy phone to show a blue dot anytime an app is using your location in the background. So if I open Maps for instance, it will immediately show the blue dot. Now the blue dot will remain there as long as the app is tracking my location. So if I close the app, the blue dot will disappear after a few seconds. So as you can see, it's now gone. Now in some cases you might see the blue dot even when you are on the home screen. So this basically means one of your apps is tracking your location in the background. To find out which app is doing that, you can simply open the notifications panel, tap on the blue dot, and it will immediately give you the app's name. So as you can see, in my case, the Google Maps app is using the location. I can then tap on this close app option to stop the app from running in the background, or I can even tap on this manage access option to revoke the location permission from here. Once I've done this, the blue dot will no longer appear there. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.